Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will learn how to declare different types of comments in PHP programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, subscribers in my channel. Thank you for your support. So let's get started. So we have here sample program here, comments in PHP, line 1, 2, and 3. Now let us go with our text editor so that I can explain to you. So in PHP, it supported three types of comments. This one, the double slash, okay, the multi-level comment, slash asterisk, and then we have here sharp comment number 3. Now, comments in computer programming is very important because it will allow the programmer to put some description or explanation in a certain line of code. It is being ignored by our PHP interpreter every line that there is a comment. So we have here the beginning of our program, PHP tag less than question mark PHP, print comments in PHP, echo to BR or break a new line in HTML, echo line number 1 / n double slash comment 1. In line number 2, comment to another line of comment 2. And then line number 3, we have also a sharp comment number 3, and then we close. So when we run, we have here the output on the screen. Now, every programming language has its own comments. So comments, as I said, is very beneficial and useful for programmers who would like to put some explanation or description of their code, because after several years or months, and then when the programmer tries to improve the code that he or she written, without the comment, it is very hard for the developer or programmer to identify what is the purpose of a certain code. The same way when is a software engineer working in a team in a company, when another programmer or software engineer looks at his or her code without a comment, it is very hard to understand. And then thirdly, the purpose of having a comment is to make our code more understandable and easy to maintain. So again, to summarize, we have three types of comments in PHP programming language: the double slash, multi-level comment. The double slash in multi-level comment is being borrowed in C and C++ programming language. The sharp comment here, this type of comment is very common in Python programming language. So comments are very useful for code documentation. So I hope that you learned something new in this tutorial video on how to identify or to declare comments in PHP programming language. Thank you so much for watching guys. I hope that you learned something new in this short tutorial video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.